Hi Titans! Today I'm going to show you the page variables in Titan Web. So page variables are located on each of your pages, and you can assign them by going to the three dots on the page that you would like to place the variable. You can go to Configure Actions, and then here you can see your variables. So we have two different types of variables. We have system variables, and this would be whenever you pre-select a system value. So we have lots of different options that are pre-established in the Titan experience. So you can select anything that is defined here relating to the user's experience. We have a lot of different options here referring to their location and the time and day that they have accessed the site, where they came from the site, etc. And then we can assign it. So let's say we do current IP, and we'll just call it IP address. And then a static variable will be anything else. So I already have my contact ID. We can also do, I don't know, like program name, and you can have something static here, or you can leave it blank for it to be filled from Salesforce or from something, an element on the experience that they have. And basically the point of these variables is to hold a value but not show a value to the end user. And the purpose of the page variables is to ensure that they are only active on the page that we assign them to. So there are global variables if you ever needed a value that was active throughout the entire project, but whenever you're using page variables, they're only live when the end user is on that page. So those are the system and static variables, and I'll show you them being filled. I have scheduled for the contact ID to be filled whenever the Salesforce action is complete, and so we have our contact ID being filled once that contact is created. Okay, so we're going to create our contact, and then we come to the next page where we can see that the page variable has been filled, and we also have the IP address, program name that was not filled at any point, so that is still blank. And let me show you, if we go to page 2, we are not able to see those page variables because they are not live on page 2. They were only live on the home page. So that is how you configure page variables on each of your Titan web pages. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this helped.